The 2026 Ferrari LaFerrari represents the next evolution of Ferrari's hybrid hypercar legacy, blending extreme performance with cutting-edge electrification and aerodynamic mastery. Building upon the foundation laid by its 2013 predecessor, the new LaFerrari redefines what a flagship supercar can achieve, merging the raw emotion of a V12 engine with the precision of electric assistance to create an unparalleled driving experience. Every line and surface of the car is sculpted for both beauty and performance, with an even sleeker, more aggressive stance that enhances downforce and minimizes drag. The front fascia adopts a sharper nose with active aero elements, while the rear integrates a futuristic diffuser and an adaptive wing that responds dynamically to driving conditions, ensuring optimal balance at any speed. Under the hood, Ferrari continues to honor its naturally aspirated heritage with a revised 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with a tri-motor hybrid setup, pushing total output beyond 1,100 horsepower. This combination delivers breathtaking acceleration, allowing the 2026 LaFerrari to reach 100 km/h in under 2.2 seconds and achieve a top speed exceeding 370 km/h. The hybrid system has been re-engineered for efficiency and responsiveness, offering instant torque and improved regenerative braking. Ferrari's advanced e-drive control system seamlessly blends combustion and electric power, providing a driving sensation that feels both ferocious and fluid. The chassis benefits from lighter, stronger carbon fiber composites derived from Formula One technology, ensuring a perfect balance between rigidity and agility. Inside, the 2026 LaFerrari showcases an evolution of Ferrari's driver-focused cockpit philosophy. The minimalist yet luxurious interior features digital displays integrated with a futuristic curved instrument cluster, providing real-time performance data. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather are used throughout, offering both sophistication and a race-inspired atmosphere. The steering wheel integrates almost all driving controls, allowing the driver to maintain total focus on the road or track. A new AI-assisted driving mode learns the driver's style, optimizing throttle response, suspension damping, and hybrid energy delivery in real time for a personalized driving experience. In terms of technology, Ferrari has equipped the LaFerrari with next-generation connectivity, including an adaptive infotainment system, over-the-air updates, and integration with Ferrari's cloud-based telemetry suite. Safety systems, though subtle, employ advanced sensors, radar, and AI-based monitoring to enhance control without diluting the purity of the driving experience. Despite its extreme power, the LaFerrari's hybrid system enables short-haul electric driving for urban conditions, highlighting Ferrari's commitment to sustainability within the supercar realm. Expected to be produced in extremely limited numbers, the 2026 Ferrari LaFerrari will command a price well above $2 million, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts who demand both exclusivity and engineering brilliance. Every aspect of the car, from its roaring V12 symphony to its aerodynamic precision, reaffirms Ferrari's position at the pinnacle of performance innovation. The new LaFerrari is not just a car, it is a statement of passion, technology, and artistry that defines the future of the hypercar world.